What does $350,000 in Clayton, New Jersey get you? I have 2,100 square foot, 3-bed, 2-bath, a very, very large footprint. It's gonna need some work, but you can make it your own, and I'm gonna show it to you next. Gary Ebner is the listing agent, and I'm helping him out by cutting this video. And Gary's a great agent in South Jersey, and we're gonna give him a little bit of love by showing you the inside right now. Let's check it out. This home situates in a nice neighborhood right off of Route 40, and it's 554 Bellview Avenue, as recognized by here. So this property, it's all about size, and you see it's all about comfort. Huge sectional couch here in the living room. It's gonna need a little bit of your elbow grease in here, but you could do all of this. I got a really nice sunroom, which I'll get to momentarily, but the kitchen is all studded out nice. You got this granite countertop, and you got the stainless steel sink, all cool, nice cabinetry, and it L's around to this lovely plant room. And you can see that the cellar has plants galore. You get the southern exposure, sun coming through, and you got a nice patio. Looks to be about 10 by 15, nice size there. And this rolls back around to the living room where we started. Coming back this way, it's got 3 beds. One of them is down here. Here's your first full bath with the soaking tub, all cool. And this would be considered the master bedroom, first floor. It's got this nice bump out. The family is very musical, so there's a lot of accents musically that are really important to them, and some of those artifacts I'm sure are gonna stay with the house. So this is the master, walks into a nice area where you could have a vanity, makeup, big bureau here. And then there's another full bath with the stand-up shower. So a little bit of old school in here, but you can make this your own. And as we're making our way through, there's a out exit, another patio area here. You can see that it's another nice size. And the total acreage here is just under a ½ acre, so it's a very big lot. You can see it goes way back there. There's a swing set, and that garage is approximately 900 square feet, oversized, 2.5 cars. No problem there at all. Making our way through this other side area, you have a den. It's got the mirrored wall there, some nice memorabilia on this side. Brick, which houses this Franklin type stove. This is gas powered, so this will heat the majority of the house once it's fired up. Big screen TV, no problem. Got a breakfast bar, all good. So 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom down, the big one. You can see this is expansive. It's got the dormer slanted ceiling. Feels really, really comfortable. Something of yesteryear, but feels really nice in the modern era. You don't see this kind of construction much. Got this large landing area, holds a stairwell, can really decorate this beautiful. Could be a seating area, little library. And then you have this room that's outfitted already for a girl's room, and absolutely beautiful, really, really comfortable. That has the northern exposure. So you got a full basement here, encompasses the entire house. You have a big electrical box there that's been upgraded at some point. Washer dryer as standard. The furnace is a little bit older, but the air conditioning is only 6 years old. So it's a differential of age, but the HVAC air conditioning part is much newer. And you have a newer hot water heater. Got a well exit to the back, takes you back out to that ½ acre backyard. It's nice. Walking down, it's another little kubi, and you know, music is the lifeblood of this property, and maybe that will fit your lifestyle as well. But that looks like a darn nice set there. Almost ½ an acre, 0.49 to be exact. Got this pool that's included, this garage, which we'll show you in a minute. And if you look off into the distance, the property goes all the way to the back. And that swing set as well stays with the property. Let's check out the inside. So this is approximately 900 square foot, 2.5 cars, and you can see how expansive it is. It's all truss roofed. Looks like it's in really nice shape. Concrete floor, just ready for you and all your tinkering. This goes all the way to the back. It's a fully fenced yard, and who doesn't want that for privacy? And if you have the pets and the children, it's all fenced in, real nice. If you think this property might be perfect for you, make sure you click the link in the description, and that will take you to our website, and then you can make an appointment to come see it. Come talk to Gary, and who knows, maybe this is the right one for you. If it's not the perfect house, make sure you either like or subscribe. You can do both if you want. And by subscribing, you get a chance to see all the new listings as they come out. And this is a big square footage, Clayton, New Jersey. It's not perfect, but this is doable. Where are you going to get this type of square footage under $350,000 anywhere in South Jersey? I could tell you where, at 554 Bellevue Avenue, Clayton.